Okay, we're done with this. This is you've done with part 4. Part 5 is if you are trying to enrich and add some enhancements to that. But let's say that you're done, you're ready to turn this in, you want to attach it to your Google Classroom assignment. All right, so if I go into my Google Classroom assignment, it looks something like this on the student view. You should have a your work over here on the right side, and you're going to be adding a link because it's to a different website. It's not a Google product. So within my sharks and fish, right, I'm going to go here and I need to look within the screen. The button up here in the top should say share. Now, if you don't have a share button there, one of two things happened. Either you've already shared it, which you would know because you're going to go through this process, or your account has not been validated. All right, and I'll show you how to validate it here at the end just in case you haven't. But let's assume you have a share button. It's really, really simple. All I'm going to do is click share. It pops up. It brings me to a screen that looks like this, and it wants me to fill in the instructions. So you need to have instructions because as soon as you share this, everybody is going to see this. So I'm going to make sure that my name's not up here. I'm going to make sure the title looks the way I want it to. And then I'm going to say, use the arrow keys to eat the fish and avoid the crab. There. All right. Now, if you followed a tutorial, which you followed my tutorial, you can give notes and credits there, from tutorial. Creative Tech, okay, or Mr. Kelsey, whatever you want there. All right. And now, up here at the top, you should see something that says congratulations or along those lines. The way you can tell it's been shared is you should have now this new button right here that says copy link. And that is the way you can ensure you are turning in the correct link. You don't want to turn in a link that's not been shared, and you don't want to turn in a link that is like the programming screen. This is the playable screen. So I click copy link right there. I want to use this top link up at the very top. This bottom link, the one called embed, that's an embed code if you want to put this game like within another website. Yeah, so if you're like creating a game web page and you've ever seen those like unlock games or something like that, that's how you embed it within there. So it ends up being like just a little rectangle of the game. But for this, we're going to copy the link, just the simple link. And then we're going to go back to our Google Classroom and we are going to click add or create and go down to link and turn it in that way. As long as you do it along those steps, you should be able to turn this in. Now, really quickly, if you don't, when you're on the inside view, this is the outside view. So if you go to back to the inside, that's how you get back to your coding. Let's say you don't have a share button up here. It's just not even appearing. Mine says shared because I've already shared it. But let's say you don't have it. What you need to do is go to your account, and you need to go to account settings, and you're going to click on the left side as soon as it appears here in a second, the side that says email, and you should have a green check mark next to your email. As soon as I click on this, you can see right here, I have a green check mark. Now, if you don't have a green check mark, you probably have a big orange button that says verify or resend code or something along those lines. You're simply going to click on that. It will send you an email that will have a little button that says click here to confirm. As soon as you've confirmed your email, that's the Scratch's way of confirming that you are using a real email. Then you will have those share buttons. The other thing that will happen is once you have shared a game, underneath your My Stuff button here, where you can see all your different programs, you will now see a different look over here in the right column where it will show you stats. And it will show you how many people have watched it, how many people have given it a heart, given you comments, stars, things like that. That's also your place where if you want to unshare it, you can unshare it, right? Notice there is no longer a delete button because it's going to assume, oh, this is a finished game. You're not going to want to accidentally delete it. That delete button only appears when you have it unshared. All right, so that is this quick, simple, easy way to be able to share and turn in your final game.